Good day, RosterElf community. Zoe Clarke from RosterElf here. Thanks for joining me for a quick guide on selecting candidates for shifts in RosterElf. Let's dive straight in. How to choose from available candidates. Click the Available Candidates tab to view employees who have volunteered for the shift. Review their names and availability to confirm each person suits the role. Select the best fit team member and click Update to confirm the assignment and send an instant notification. How to select from potential matches. Open the Potential Matches tab to see employees already linked to the site and position. Look for names highlighted in green, as these staff are free and ideal for the shift. Hover over the speech bubble beside any unavailable team member to learn why they cannot work, then pick an available employee and click Update. How to find emergency replacements. Click the All Employees tab to access every staff member in your account. Scan the list for someone who can step in when no other options are suitable. Choose the most appropriate candidate and hit Update to keep the roster running smoothly. How to review shift details. Open the Shift Details tab to confirm the type, position, date, time, and site for the shift. Double-check these details to ensure your chosen employee meets every requirement before saving. Thanks so much for watching. If you ever need a hand, our friendly support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering!